In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clean hyperlinks inside a Jira issue using the rich text editor. If you've ever pasted a long, messy URL into a Jira task and watched the description become harder to read, this process will help you keep everything neat and professional. Clean links make issue cards easier to scan, especially when you're sharing design files, repositories, documentation, or other external resources with your team. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the standard Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the project you're working in and then select the specific issue card where you want to place the link. This could be a story, bug, task, or any other issue type. When the issue opens, click into the description field, or if you'd rather place the link in a discussion instead, scroll down and click into the comments field. As soon as you click inside one of these text areas, Jira activates its rich text editor. You should see a formatting toolbar appear above the text box. That toolbar is what gives you access to the hyperlink tool. Next, look along the toolbar for the link icon, which usually appears as a small chain symbol. Click that icon once to open the link insertion window. This is where you'll connect readable text with the destination web address, so the final result looks polished instead of cluttered. If you prefer working quickly from the keyboard, there's also a shortcut available. First, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Then press Ctrl and K on Windows or Command and K on a Mac. This opens the same link tool without needing to click the toolbar, which can be a nice time saver if you edit Jira tickets frequently. With the link box open, paste your destination into the field labeled link or URL. Then move to the text to display field and enter a short, clear label that tells people exactly what they're opening. A descriptive label is always better than showing the full URL because it keeps the issue readable and makes linked resources easier to identify at a glance. Once everything looks right, click Insert or Save inside the link window. Then take a quick second to confirm that the text now appears as a clickable link. After that, save the issue or comment itself so the formatting is stored properly. That's it. You now know how to turn raw URLs into clean, readable links in Jira, making your tickets easier to navigate and much more team-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.